Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start biology chapter number 1, introduction to biology. Today first topic is about biology, division and branches of biology. So first, what is biology? Biology is the scientific study of life. Biology has been derived from two Greek words. Bios means life and logos means thought or reasoning. In biology, we discuss about living organisms, study of life. Next topic is today first topic is introduction to biology. Further, division and branches of biology, division of biology and branches of biology. In divisions, there are three major divisions of biology which study the different aspects of lives of major groups of organisms. The first division is zoology. In zoology, the branch of the divisions of biology deals with the study of animals. In zoology, we study about animals. In zoology, we study about cell, tissues, organs and different systems in human in animals. Means different systems like excretory system, nervous system and respiratory system. It is. So in biology, the division of biology deal with the study of plants. In botany, we deals with the study of plants. In plants, gaseous exchange like growth, cells of plants. Further, so the next division, third division of biology is microbiology. In microbiology, we deal with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria. In microbiology, we deal with study of microorganism like bacteria. In microbiology, we discuss advantages and disadvantages of microorganisms, how bacteria affects living organisms, how microorganisms affect living organisms, and how we can prevent from bacteria or microorganisms. So next topic is subtopic is branches of biology. First branch is morphology. In morphology, we study of from form or structure of the living organisms. Form or structure. So next is anatomy, the branch of biology in which we study about internal structure of living organisms. So next is histology. In histology, the branch of biology in which we study about tissues in living organism. When cells are arranged in pattern, then tissues are formed. Then tissues are formed. So next branch is cell biology, the branch of biology in which we study the structure and function of cells and cell organelles. So further next branch is physiology. In physiology, we study about function of different parts of living organisms. functions of and different parts of living organism. So next is genetics. Genetics, the branch of biology in which we study about genes and their role in inheritance. We study about gene and their role in inheritance. Inheritance means the transmission of characters from one generation to other generations. So in embryology, we study about development of embryo in new individuals. Development of embryo. So next branch, students, next branch is taxonomy. In taxonomy, we study about name and classification of organisms or groups. Naming and classification of organisms. Next branch is paleontology, the branch of biology in which we study about fossils and extant organisms. So next branch is environmental biology, the branch of biology in which we study about interaction between organisms and their environment. So next branch is sociobiology, the branch of biology in which we study about social behavior of animal, social behavior of animal. That makes society. The next type of branch of biology is parasitology, the branch of biology in which we study about parasites. So next branch is immunology, the branch of biology in which we study about immune system. The immune systems are the system that work against diseases in living organisms. So next branch is entomology, the branch of biology in which we study about insects. So last branch is pharmacology, the branch of biology in which we study about drugs and their effect on system of human body and their effects on human. So today classwork is in chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. In Introduction to Biology, first topic is division and branches of biology. Division and biology, branches of biology. Division and biology, biology is further divided into 3 divisions. First is zoology, second botany, third is microbiology. In zoology, we study about animals. In botany, we study about plants. In microbiology, we study about microorganisms. Further topic, next topic is branches of biology. In branches of biology, first branch is morphology, next entomology, histology, cell biology, physiology, genetics, embryology, taxonomy, paleontology, environmental biology, sociobiology and parasitology, immunology, entomology and pharmacology. So टुडे होमवर्क इज learn and write division and branches of biology. Page number 2 and 3. पीटीबी बुक है, ओके बेटा, अल्लाह हाफिज़।